Case study: implementing PharmaMax's artwork decisions in a pharmaceutical firm. Let us guide you through the process of transforming packaging compliance. Discover how PharmaMax's innovative artwork solutions have revolutionized packaging compliance and efficiency for a leading pharmaceutical company. This in-depth case study covers the step-by-step implementation process of the Artwork Decisions system, highlighting the challenges faced, solutions provided, and the remarkable improvements in compliance and operational efficiency. Learn how the firm leveraged the system to streamline the packaging artwork lifecycle, enforce regulatory standards, and ensure accuracy at every stage. Perfect for industry professionals seeking to modernize their packaging processes, this case study provides actionable insights and practical examples of successful implementation. Watch now to see how PharmaMax's artwork decisions can transform your packaging operations. Company background: a prominent pharmaceutical firm needed to enhance its packaging artwork process to meet stringent regulatory requirements. The existing manual processes were inefficient and prone to errors, risking non-compliance. Challenges: inconsistent packaging artwork processes, difficulty ensuring all packaging met regulatory standards, lack of an efficient review and approval system, issues with data management and version control. Solution: PharmaMax's Artwork Decisions system was implemented to address these challenges. Initial assessment: conducted a thorough assessment of the current packaging artwork processes, identified key areas for improvement and compliance requirements. Workflow design: developed a detailed workflow incorporating compliance checkpoints. Ensured the workflow was tailored to the firm's specific needs. System configuration: customized the Artwork Decision system to match the new workflow. Configured automated compliance checks to flag non-compliant artwork. Data management: implemented robust data management practices with version control. Ensured accurate storage and easy retrieval of artwork files. Review and approval: established a structured review and approval process with key stakeholders. Ensured all artwork passed compliance checks before final approval. Training and support: provided comprehensive training for users on the new system. Established ongoing support to ensure smooth operation. Implementation and monitoring: rolled out the new system with minimal disruption. Continuously monitored the process for further improvements. Results: enhanced compliance. Ensured all packaging artwork met regulatory standards. Improved efficiency. Streamlined the packaging artwork process, reducing errors and saving time. Accurate data management. Improved version control and data management practices. Structured review process. Implemented a robust review and approval system. Conclusion: the implementation of PharmaMax's Artwork Decisions system transformed the firm's packaging artwork processes, ensuring compliance, improving efficiency, and providing a robust platform for future growth. This case study highlights the critical role of modern artwork management systems in achieving regulatory compliance and operational excellence.